Keep coming straight, nice and slow. Watch the clearance on your right. Copy that, moving to the ramp.
Easy now, nice and slow.
Watch the gap on the right.
Clear, bring the next ones down.
Keep them moving slowly toward the chute.
Copy that. Making sure they all clear the sensor.
Make sure you get under the legs there. We need these spotless for the inspection.
Scan confirms no fever, but look at the hindquarters as it walks.
I see it. Adding a note on the movement assessment.
Body condition score is excellent. Muscle structure looks strong. Did you get the heart rate?
Yes, 82 and steady. Records updated. Just keep them steady for the scan. Reading the tag now. Verification complete.
The cardiac rhythm is strong, well within parameters. Confirmed. Data matches the factory standard baseline perfectly. Let's document it.
Overall condition looks excellent, but let's monitor the respiration on lot 3.
The thermal imaging shows a slight elevation, but nothing critical yet. Have all the medical examination records been cross-referenced with the digital reports?
Yes, Supervisor. Everything is accurate and approved.
The liver enzyme levels are slightly elevated here.
The inspection report confirms standard feed and the scan is clean.
Agreed. Finalizing the approved status.
All procedures signed off on the manifest. They meet the factory standards.
Yes, ma'am. The cleaning and medical stages are fully completed.
We've aligned based on the specifications, Supervisor.
Verified. Good work.
The zipper is smooth, stitching density is precise.
Fits the form perfectly. It meets our premium standard.